Communities are the next big thing coming to WhatsApp. But what are they, and how are they different to groups? If you want to learn more about this new feature, then keep on watching, for we will show you everything you need to know about WhatsApp communities and how to use it. And before we get started, please give us a like and share this video so it could reach more people. Let's begin. Meta-owned instant messaging platform WhatsApp recently announced the rollout of Communities features for users to manage multiple groups with ease by bringing them under one umbrella. The feature is rolled out in a phased manner, and it is available to everyone on iOS and Android. Next, here's all you need to know about WhatsApp Communities. First, let's talk about what is WhatsApp Communities. The Communities features allows users to connect multiple groups together under one umbrella to organize group conversations on WhatsApp. It is a parent group called Community, with connecting subgroups for easy communication and management. The Communities feature on WhatsApp enables new possibilities, especially for group admins. Next, how does it work? When an admin creates a new community, multiple groups can be created in it. Users can add up to 50 groups in addition to a default announcement group, which in itself can hold up to 5,000 members. This central announcement group can be used by admins to send out important announcements across the entire community and all its inclusive subgroups, which can now contain up to 1,024 members. Anyone can run a community of their own and invite groups to join. However, the group admins have to accept the invite in order to join the community. Community admins will have the ability to remove groups and an individual member from the community. In addition, group admins will be able to delete inappropriate or abusive chats or media for all members of a group. If a user leaves a group, he can still be a part of a larger community and will get the announcements shared in the central announcements group. With the help of the broadcast group, the community admin can make an announcement across the entire community. In addition to communities, WhatsApp rolled out other features for its users to make the most of the new addition. Admins can now conduct polls in subgroups and add up to 32-person on-calls via shareable call links. Besides, WhatsApp now allows file sharing up to 2 GB size. WhatsApp will also add closed groups for communities later on, and not much is known about the feature right now, but it seems these will be groups that community members only be able to join with admin approval. Lastly, here's how to create WhatsApp Community. Users who have access to the Communities feature will see it replace the Camera tab on their WhatsApp main screens. This will be the small tab on the extreme left. To create a new community, users can head to the menu on iOS and new chat icon on Android to find the option to create a community. They can then enter the name and description for a community and also add a profile picture. Inside the community, users will find options to create new groups and add existing groups. If you are an admin already handling multiple groups, you'll be able to add all existing groups here. If you're creating new groups, you can populate those with members similar to how you would normally add new members to a WhatsApp group. Each group can also have its own name, description, and profile icon. And there you have it. All you need to know about WhatsApp Communities and how to use it. I hope you find this video helpful. And if it did, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
have you ever got your Facebook ad account banned for no reason? Unable to run campaigns and have limited outreach campaigns for clients? Can't post in groups and forums? And are you tired of all the logging in and out and OTPs all day? And want to work with your team but you can't? Well, for all this trouble running marketing campaigns, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the ultimate multi-login, multi-account, and anti-detect marketers browser, Logi Browser, the growth hacker's favorite browser. With Logi Browser, you can run multiple ad accounts, multi-account social media, blogs, and group marketing campaigns while keeping your accounts safe. So if you're going to be an internet marketer, if you're a growth hacker, or if you're running an agency or any kind of ad accounts, this product is absolutely vital for you. So go ahead and try it out. Just go to Logi.in. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.